Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Toons. I'm just working on a quick project as I put this big tri-toon right here back together. We've got a stainless steel tow bar right here. I've got it flipped upside down so I can work on it. Before I tear in to getting to reinstalling this tow bar, I'm gonna put new hardware on it, new stainless nylock nuts, big back plates that came with it. But if you look at this thread, see how nice and clean that is? It's because I hit it with a threading tool. If you look at these, not so pretty. Threads are a little bit beat up. We don't wanna risk putting new hardware on there and having it seize or cross thread, because if you look at this, these are actually welded in this bolt. So once this goes through, if there's a problem with this, we're in big trouble. So I go ahead, I'm just running it through. This is a tool I picked up at the local hardware store a while back, and it has different size thread counts and different size bolts. So I can go ahead and turn this on. I'll show you what that looks like onto the thread, and it's gonna carve out nice new clean threads. I take my tool and I just gently get it started to where it's grabbing those threads, and then I can take the handle. You could, I guess, take a wrench or a socket too, but this is a little handle that came with it, and I'm just going to twist. It's easier with two hands and a lot faster, but I'm going to go ahead and just work this down, and what it's doing is it's just grabbing those threads and then cutting in with these teeth to make new threads. So you can see how nasty and corroded those threads are. There's old plywood in there. They're a little beat up. We'll look at what it looks like in a second here when I'm done. And that is that same thread, the same bolt coming out that I just showed you. Nice and clean. We'll put a little WD-40 or some sort of lubricant to keep it from seizing up when we put the nylock on. But I like my odds a lot better with that, getting a good grab and making this last forever.